In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Wix with HubSpot. This process will help you seamlessly connect your Wix website with HubSpot's powerful CRM tools, enhancing your ability to track and nurture leads. Let's dive into it. First, go to your preferred search engine and type in HubSpot CRM to find the official HubSpot website. Once you find the correct link, click on it to access HubSpot CRM. Next, you'll see an option to get started for free. Click on this to initiate the account creation or login process. If you already have a HubSpot account, enter your credentials to log in. If you don't, this is the time to create a new account. Just follow the prompts to sign up, providing all the necessary information required by HubSpot. Once you have logged in or created your account, continue by clicking on Continue with this user. Now, you'll see a list of your HubSpot accounts. Select the one you want to use for this integration and click on Continue with this account. We're halfway there. Now that you are in your HubSpot account, navigate to the marketplace, which is often represented with an icon on your dashboard. Click on it to proceed. Upon opening the HubSpot marketplace, use the search function to type in Wix. You should see the Wix integration or application. Click on it to get more details. To proceed with the integration, click on the Install button. At this point, you will be prompted to either sign up for a new Wix account or log in to an existing one. If you don't have a Wix account yet, click on Sign Up and enter the necessary information to create your account. If you already have a Wix account, simply enter your login credentials. After logging in, continue with your email and enter your password if prompted. It's important to ensure that you are logging in with the correct user account associated with the Wix website you intend to connect. After validating your credentials, HubSpot and Wix will guide you through configuring the sync. This part is crucial as it defines how information will flow between the two platforms. Follow the on-screen instructions carefully to set up your preferences for data synchronization, making sure everything meets your business needs. And that's it, you have successfully integrated Wix with HubSpot. This integration will enhance your ability to track website visitors, capture leads, and manage customer relationships efficiently. Regularly monitor your HubSpot dashboard to maximize the benefits of this integration. If you encounter any issues, both HubSpot and Wix offer robust support tools to help you through the process. Thanks for watching, and I hope this tutorial helps streamline your business connections.